Let's try another one to make everything clear to understand. Also, we got here an error for this example because you cannot do that. Syntax error. This is invalid syntax. Now let's see the solution to this kind of errors, and we'll try it on the previous example with the variable that we have created previously, which is called prefix. As you can see here, when we put the plus sign between the variable and the string, they were concatenated correctly, and the result is Python string, and there are no errors. Strings can be indexed with the first character having index 0, the second character has index 1, and so on. There is no separate character type. A character is simply a string of size 1. Let's say word equals Python, then word followed by 0 inside square brackets. We created a variable here and its value is a string called Python, and when we want to get the first character of this string, which has index 0 in the sequence, we wrote the name of the variable that contains this string, followed by the number 0 inside square brackets, and we got the first character, which is the letter P. Try yourself to print the second character of this Python string by replacing the number 0 with the number 1. It's so easy. Indexes may also be negative numbers to start counting from the right side instead of the left side. The last character has index -1, and the second last character has index -2 if the count starts from the last character from the right side. As you can see here, the second last character gave us O as an output, which is the second character from the right side in this string. And the character that has an index is equal to -6 is the character P from the Python string. Note that since -0 is the same as 0, negative indexes start from -1.